Guys, it's Terry here from Fastnet Talent Group. I'd like to speak today with regards to a client of mine based in Cork in the med device industry. My client is a top 10 company in manufacturing orthopedic implants. We have a range of roles that I'd like to speak to interested candidates about with a view to ongoing contract positions. Typically, engineers with experience in NPI, validation, process, tech transfer, quality and GMP. I'd like to speak to engineers in manufacturing, projects, 3D printing, tech transfer, validation and more. Please contact me to discuss at 021 455 4066 or email me at terry@fastnettalent.com. Have a good weekend, guys. Thank you very much.